This is the Hikvision K2 Dashcam. This camera is perfect for recording footage while you're on the road, whether it be monitoring on-road accidents, first-time drivers, or documenting road trips. This camera can be found on our Facebook and Lazada pages, all linked in the description below. Unboxing the product, you get a manual with the electrostatic film, the mini USB cable, and the camera itself. The K2 Dashcam can record up to 1080p 30fps with its 2-megapixel camera, and it has a viewing angle of 130 degrees. It has a slot where you can put a microSD card that holds up to 64GB of storage. You may have noticed this dashcam does not have a screen. That is because this dashcam can be connected to your phone. On your mobile device, download HikDashcam on the App Store or on the Play Store. Once opened, tap Add Device. Make sure that your device has Wi-Fi on and the dashcam is also on. Find the Wi-Fi SSID named Hikvision K2 and select it. It will ask for a password, in which you will enter the password 12345678890. Once connected, you can now start using the Hikvision K2 Dashcam. It is easy to download videos directly to your phone. Just go to Photos, select the clip, and click Download. Here are some sample footage using the K2 Dashcam. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in this product, head on to the Happy Work Enterprise Lazada and Facebook pages to get yours today.